Tired of the same old look in your Viber chats? Learn how to easily manage your chat background and personalize the conversations with new colors or images. Viber offers options to customize the background of your chat screens, whether you want a simple color, a pattern, or a photo from your gallery. You can set a default background for all chats, or a unique background for specific individual chats. So what you want to do is, from the Viber app, go to the chat whose background you want to edit. There, swipe right to open up the options menu. Scroll down a little till you find an option labeled background. Tap on it. In a second or two, there will be a wide range of backgrounds to choose from. If you'd like to, you can also add an image from your gallery or take a photo on the spot to keep as your background. Anyways, if you found a theme or background you like, simply tap on it. And just like that, you'll have changed the background of your chats. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!